Peterson Ball Valves have been engineered to provide maximum flow, easy maintenance, and reliable performance. 3 versions are available in small body, large body, and extra large body configurations. Fitting sizes range from -6 to -20. Fitting configurations feature male to male, male to bulkhead, and male to female as shown on this extra large body ball valve. A panel mount option is also available in the small version for use as a fuel shutoff. Each ball valve is provided with a spec sheet that details procedures for orienting the handle, as well as pressure and fluid rating for each valve. Each Peterson valve is compatible with all types of race fuels, motor oils, and coolants. For maintenance procedures, we are using a large body valve, but the procedure is the same for all sizes. The handle is positioned to determine flow. Inline with openings indicates full flow, open and perpendicular. A 90-degree angle to the openings indicates full shutoff or a closed position. If the handle needs to be repositioned from the factory setting, first turn the handle to 45 degrees to uncover the small set screw for the handle stop. Use the small hex key and remove the set screw from the body. Set screws are assembled with Loctite 222 to prevent loosening and should be reapplied in reassembly. Once the set screw is removed, the handle can be repositioned as desired for operation. Reinstall the set screw by again putting the handle at a 45-degree angle to uncover the hole in the body for the set screw. The body contains 4 set screw holes for orientation purposes. Be sure the set screw is deep enough to clear handle operation. Confirm operation and position of handle stop prior to final installation. To start the rebuild process, remove the end caps to access the ball within. Bulkhead mount valves will require the removal of the nut for proper access. Using a hex tool, remove all screws and separate the end cap, exposing the O-ring and the Teflon seal within. To remove the ball, turn at 90 degrees to the closed position as shown, and drop the ball out of the body. The ball features a hard anodized coating for extended wear. Continue the same process for the remaining end cap. Seals and O-rings are the same for both sides. The rebuild kit that we will be using is the 090940 kit for the large body valve, which contains all new Teflon seals, O-rings, and ball stem seal for a proper rebuild. To remove the Teflon seal, use a small flat blade screwdriver or similar to gently pry the old seal from its seat. Install new seal fully seated. Remove the O-ring from its groove and install the new one by using a touch of oil to aid in installation. Follow the same procedure for the opposite side. For ball stem seal replacement, remove the handle from the shaft using a punch and hand press to remove the roll pin. Remove the ball stem from body and replace the O-ring. Reinstall ball stem into body and start roll pin into handle to secure. Using a hand press, press the roll pin into place. To reassemble, start with one fitting side first to provide a secure stop for the ball and install all 4 screws finger tight. Next, turn the handle to the closed position or at 90 degrees from the opening to expose the ball stem and ball slot. Line up the slot in the ball and drop into place. Turn handle to the open position to keep the ball from falling back out while installing the remaining fitting end cap. Bolts should be torqued to values shown on the provided spec sheet. Rebuilt ball valve is now complete and ready for service. If testing is desired prior to installation, compressed air or water may be used. For additional information or questions, please contact the Peterson Tech Department hotline or by email.